As technology grows more complex, we find ourselves longing for a moment very simple and pure. When it comes to music, more isn't always better. Less is more. Inspired by the moon. Its platter is made from frosted acrylic, clear and restrained, like a soft lunar glow, tracing the path of music through a quiet night. Minimalism isn't about doing less. It's about expressing beauty with greater precision. Everything exists for the sake of purity. We removed the built-in phono stage and every unnecessary function, leaving only the purest analog signal path. Music isn't just something we listen to, it's how we feel time itself. Vinyl doesn't just capture melodies, it holds emotions, textures, and warmth. Luna3 is the most honest connection between you and your music. We believe simplicity is an attitude. Like moonlight, it never shouts, yet it illuminates every listening journey. Luna3, born for vinyl, built for purity.